Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Alright.
Everything okay?
Hope so.
Having a great day?
I'll know later.
Okay. Okay. 2543.
Hey. Can I see you later? Yeah. Alright.
Oh, what's up, babe?
Nothing, babe.
How was your day?
Long.
You alright?
Alright.
I'm stressed out. What's on your mind?
So much on my mind. I don't even know where to start.
So hold on. Babe. No food?
I didn't even have time to stop at the store. I'm sorry.
Jesus Christ, yo. I'm hungry.
Me too. You wanna get something to eat?
Sure, we can. I mean, I got some time. Just gonna chill with you. What's wrong, though?
I mean, we've been talking for a long time. I didn't even say anything to you yet.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
We've been talking for a long time, and we never really talked about where we were going with us. I'm pregnant.
You what? Pregnant?
I'm pregnant.
Pregnant for who? We're pregnant to go.
The man sitting in the car. What do you mean? Who am I pregnant for?
Kim, there's no way you can pregnant for me.
There's no way?
There's no way you
How
can
is it
pregnant
no way?
for me
I'm sorry,
because
how?
every time when me and you do a thing, me always strap.
No. No.
Yeah.
That's no. You're my man. We've been together for how long?
Whoa.
We've been not using protection for
Hold on.
how long?
Listen, me don't know what you do to my condom, but me know
What do
me
you mean
always
what
strap.
condom? Are you
But
confusing me
listen,
with somebody else?
I don't know what the fuck you talking about, B, but yo.
Now you don't know what the fuck I'm talking about.
is
You
that
ain't
my
had no
type?
problem when you was
Yo.
fucking me without the condom, but
Listen
now
what me I say,
that's some
man.
shit that
Yo,
happened.
Lower your voice, first of all. And before you even get now, how long you even fucking pregnant for?
I don't have regular periods, so
Regular period, what the fuck is this? That's not what I asked you. I asked you like how long you're pregnant for.
I don't have regular periods. I'm almost 12 weeks.
You're almost 12 weeks. And you just tell me this now.
Really?
Listen what me I say. Use my side chick, me have my woman. I'm
Wait.
my family. You can't come mash
I'm
up
sorry,
my family.
excuse me?
I come talk about your pregnant.
Wait. You're gonna start talking and you're gonna have to listen to me because I'm not gonna find out that I'm pregnant.
Me not care where you want to say this right now. I just fuck up my meds. You want to talk about your pregnant. You're not gonna mash up my family.
Side chick?
Me both get married soon. Me have my family.
Married?
And me youth. Oh, you know that this blood clot right now. That. See what I say?
You.
Yo, is a matter of fact, Kim? Hear me, I said that. Just make sure you're ready by 8:30 tomorrow. I may come pick you up myself and we are going to the clinic go check this out. You see me? We are going to take care of this guy. There's no way you're pregnant for me.
Really?
See? I mean,
No,
don't talk about that.
there's no way.
You
Really?
hear me say,
There's
Kim,
no
me
way.
on the bag of talking and start with the loud noise and my place be. You understand me? I say, we are going to the clinic tomorrow and we take care of this. But you know, there's no way I have the baby and come mash up my rascal family. You understand? The conversation done, yo.
What are you doing?
Not coming in there with you. I already tell you already, man.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're gonna send me in there by myself?
I'm going out need for the dog.
No, I'm not about to go in this shit by myself. I didn't do this by myself. I didn't do this by myself.
Me not in the bag of talking. Me I say, yo, go take care of that and get it done with. I'm not coming in there
really?
with it.
I really,
yo,
really
me not give a fuck where you need somebody else. Me not fucking come in there with you at the end of the story that just take your ass in there so I'm gonna me not care, me not give a fuck about that. Just go angle where you need for angle, dog. Me not in the bag of talking.
Is everything okay?
No.
I mean, what's going on?
Ex-boyfriend just dropped me off. I have to.
I mean, is he abusing you?
He might as well force me here. I just told him I was pregnant. I'm here.
Listen, no one can force you to get an abortion but you.
Alright.
I mean, do you guys live together?
No.
You're a beautiful young lady. Don't let anyone ever force you to do anything you don't want to do. And when he picks you up, say you got the abortion.
I like that.
All right. See? Come here. It's going to be fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right? Good luck.
Yo, you get rid of that? You get rid of that?
That's what you wanted?
Yeah. Let me ask you if that's your child.
Don't ask me anything.
You get rid of it?
Yes, Jakes.
Okay. Some more.
Hey girl. What's up?
Here?
Your mom let me in.
Wow. What's up?
Nothing, chilling. What's going on?
Child.
Why the straight face? What's going on?
You don't even want to know, bestie. You
Oh,
don't
no.
even wanna know.
Oh no. Back to the tea. What's good?
So much bullshit.
Who is it?
You already know who it is.
Jake's. What happened? Kim.
I'm pregnant.
What? What? Oh hell no. Kim. I've been telling you about this nigga like he's no good.
I know.
We just graduated. How the hell you gonna have a baby?
I don't know. I don't know anything right now. I'm just here. I just found out, literally.
That's crazy. So what you gonna do now?
I don't know.
This the shit I be talking about. Like, how you gonna tell your mom?
I don't know.
Okay. What's up?
Hungry.
Hungry? Can have some of that.
How was your day?
It was good. How was yours?
I signed up for financial aid, but I'm not gonna take the classes just yet
Why?
because I'm pregnant.
Really? How far?
Almost 12 weeks.
So what is gonna happen with school?
I'm gonna keep going. After I have the baby, I'll go back.
Yeah, but what is gonna happen after the baby come? Who is gonna take care of the baby while you go back to school?
Your first grandchild.
My first grandchild. This is not how I wanted my first grandchild. I told you, your education comes
But
first.
I can still,
And I warned you.
I can still get that.
Yeah, you can. But you have a tough fight. Don't factor me into it. You will have to plan. You need to sit and plan and know what you're gonna do. I'm not your number one go-to person. I will help, but you need to have a backup. Not even a backup. I might be a backup. Not me. I'm not the number one. I told you. I warned you.
GX, no, you see the red controller and new controller, you know. Same color as my team, and know what time it is, you know. Big bad Bayern unit. What do you mean? Big bad Bayern, yo, put some respect on the name. Big bad Bayern
my
unit.
team. And I arm if it soldier warrior style. I kill me come
Oh,
to kill.
Chelsea decent, but you rocks.
Yeah, man. Man, always a style
Ready
of
for
the
your
game.
kick up?
I want to play, man. Yo, as a matter of fact, we are run the game, you know.
You're ready to kick up.
But watch out, you know, say before we run the game, dog, we do something, my mate a catty up at college the other day, dog, and up there I go and knock it and thing, dog, and start knock it raw, dog. You see me, and
Old dirty PD style.
I tell you, dog, Cathy go tell me about she pregnant, dog, me I say pregnant. I don't know man of them family and them youth a run around the place and thing, dog, and me I say, yo, at 8:30 the next morning, me just haul it up, dog, clinic.
What do you mean, you make a dash with the belly? What kind of thing that for you?
I don't know if I'm my opinion. She can fuck a bunch of man out there, dog. I want to come. You know me and have them family and them youth are running about the place, dog.
That low fire.
Dog.
How you feel about
You know me feel. I mean, me feel fuck up because I'm my youth still, but...
that? No, you know, say enough time you not even wake up 8:30 in the morning to go work and everything there.
That's that low.
Me fuck up, dog. Kim? You see me a link you from the other day, no call, no text? You know?
You don't have anything really to
So we are going on. Baby stuff. You buy stuff, huh? You know when you breathe again? Are you?
Now you sound like a kid.
Okay, me just ask. I mean, no man a drunk or still, so.
Alright.
You know?
That's fine.
Yeah, what you up to do, babes? Everything good? Yo, stop pulling for me, man. I want to. You fucking figure who me is, man. I want. Yo, relax, man. You see, man, I call you from how long and you know, you can answer what man call. Slap man for slap you, don't forget who me is, you know. One tail. Yo, relax, me say man. One tail. More know who for stuff them there. What kind of baby stuff you in here, boy?
It's for my friend's baby shower.
Friend baby shower. Don't fuck with me, no kid.
Jeez.
Watch out. You're welcome. Yo, where you going?
My car.
What you mean, man? Relax, man. So what's good with you, Kim?
Ain't nothing. What do you think? I'm supposed to just be like memory wipe clean? Like a few days ago, you didn't just drop me off somewhere?
No, I mean, I said that, but I was fucked up in the head, you know? I was going through shit. Like, you know? I mean, yo, it ain't that serious, you know?
It really is that serious.
Come
What do you mean?
Calm
Jace.
down, Kim.
Jace, how long are we dealing with each other? When
mean-
were you gonna tell me that you had a girl
Babe.
and kids? I'm your
Babe.
side chick.
Babe, relax. Calm down. Yo,
Calm down, Jace. I really can't. I can't
do
calm
you mean?
down. What do you mean? What do I mean? I'm supposed to just like
I'm not
forget
saying you should
in one day.
Kim,
I'm
I'm not saying you should fucking forget. But I'm just saying I'm here now. We talking now. We came upon what we did out before, yo. We have a lot of memories together.
But you forgot about them just a few days ago, and now all
I
of a
didn't
sudden they
fucking
matter?
forget about them. Like I
Okay.
said, I was going through shit.
So where was your wife and kids when you were fucking me? Where were they?
Really?
Really? Where were they?
Aren't you here
Okay.
right now?
I'm here right now, but it doesn't.
Okay, calm the fuck down. What's wrong with you, man? I'm here now trying to talk to you and you acting all ignorant and shit. Calm the hell down. Relax, Kim.
Wife and kids? Do you remember what you said to me?
Listen,
I thought you told me everything.
Yeah, I did, but-
you were going through something now?
Kim, listen, man. I really do care about you. You acting like you want me to be on my fucking knees
I
and
do.
be like,
You should be. You should be.
we say I do when we get married. Well, I'm just saying. All right. We can be living the moment a little bit. I like to see that smile. I'm for real. Just trust me this time. It's gonna be us, all right? Give me a kiss.
You remember your wife?
Get on the fucking sense, dumbass bitch. Let's not make a dash of the fucking baby. None of fucking sense. The fuck yeah, I push, man. Dumbass bitch.
Can't wait.
Hey girl, you want to go to the mall?
No, I told my mom I was gonna help her with some stuff, and we have some plans to like go run errands and shop and.
All right, so we'll just link up later.
Bye.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Yo, look, Kim. It's Jace, man. I know you see me calling you. Answer your phone. Give me a call, text, something. I need to talk to you, baby. I miss you. I want to come see you. One.
So yeah, you know I was in the club. Like, hold on, I'm gonna call you back. Where you been at? Like, what are you doing here? You know I've been trying to hit you up like for the longest.
I know.
What's going on?
Child,
Here we go again,
I feel like
Kim.
I
Why
never
the
not
long
had
face?
drama.
What happened?
Jakes. The other night, yo.
I've been telling you about this nigga. Like,
What
what happened?
Yo, I'm minding my business. I went shopping and this man literally came around the corner.
What?
And he was just talking so reckless. Like,
were you with him? Like, where he came from?
Just literally out of the blue. I'm just like standing in the aisle and
this nigga's
I'm
crazy.
looking at baby stuff. And he walks up to me and is like, what you looking at baby stuff for? So I'm like, real quick, like, have a baby shower to go to.
Right.
Like, why are you questioning me? And I run out of freaking Walmart to leave my freaking bag.
You
I
what?
left my bag in the damn shopping cart.
Oh my goodness. So what happened? Like, did he take your bag or what?
I keep getting like, it's funny now, but honestly, when you were calling me, I didn't even want
because
you
I
to
was
see.
blowing you up. I was like, yo, where's she at? I hope everything's straight.
So okay, he brings me my bag and he's just like bestie, he almost had me like this close. Like, I really love that man and he really almost had me. And then
I've
I
been
just
telling you
remembered,
about
like,
since before he even got serious. I've been
wife
telling you
and
about him.
kids. I pushed him out of my face because I just couldn't believe it, and he like caught back and slapped the shit out of me.
What? He did what?
I couldn't even like open my eye good for like 3 days.
Kim, he did what?
I swear.
Yo, where's Drew at when you need him? When is he coming out?
Yo, John did link you with them thing there?
Yeah. You give me a shout, man. Supposed to go pick up the phones in about that hour.
Oh.
See what I say?
My little sister's supposed to come link me to, you know? Yeah, keep her eye out.
Oh shit. Oh, mommy.
You don't know mommy now talk to me. From I get locked up, mommy now say, hey, I'm try call nothing. Alright.
Hold on there.
Yo!
Hi.
What going?
Where's my brother?
I'm not back here.
Yay! Is that my big brother?
Well done,
Oh shit!
Walk on.
Oh, look at you!
Look for you.
So far.
Ah,
I'm getting old.
jail food, man.
What?
Walk on, sis.
Look at
No
my
life.
brother. I missed you. Stop getting in trouble, man.
Stop getting in trouble. You know me, always in the wrong place. Or wrong
Right, the wrong place.
time. Oh, my little sister.
I'm grown now.
Let me see that. Old school.
Let's go.
Yeah, you do good? Ah,
The sister, big things. Like
big
a
things like
lady.
what?
So, I already told mommy so.
What going?
So, what if I told you that your little sister is pregnant?
Wow. We can't ever be mad at that. Sister, them way there. What mommy say?
I mean, she ain't blow up on me like I thought she would have, but she just wants me to make sure I finish school. And she already told me so she's not no babysitter, but she ain't kick me out like I thought
the
she would.
best thing.
Right?
Who you breed for, sis? Who open on a waste man, you know?
You don't know him, but he's good.
He's good, I hope so. I hope him much treat my little sister alright.
Yeah, takes me out and goes shopping with me and
That's
make
good.
sure I'm in school on time.
That's good. Okay, you don't know any little thing. My sister in a problem. Yo, bro.
I know you. Trust me.
Hey, Mr. Rickard.
Hey, Miss Reed. Have a seat. Give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
You know why I called you in my class today, Miss Reed?
My attendance.
What about your attendance?
Been missing class.
Well, why have you been missing class?
I just really had a lot of stuff going on. My schedule is just been crazy.
And your appointments are more important than you actually making it to class and finishing up. You know you're my best student, right? And I really want to see you graduate because, you know, for one, I like having great students. Not a lot of my students are as good as you are. And it makes me feel proud to know that I'm actually doing my job and seeing that my students actually excel in their class and go on to graduate. And right now your attendance is going to prevent you from doing so. Do you understand that?
I do.
So I need you to come clean with me and give me something stronger than, well, I have other things going on, because this is more important right now. Education is more important, and right now I need you to understand and accept that. So you can always come to me and talk to me about anything. Whatever I can do to help you make this situation a little better, I need to know, because I don't want to have to fail you because you don't come to my class. And you're my best student. And it's sad to see a student like yourself come into my class, and I'm so proud of you for you to not show up whenever you need to. So right now I need something better than that. Because I'm looking at all your grades. That's what I was going over right now before you actually got in here. I was going on everybody's grades. And I'm like, listen, you're doing so well, but you're never here. And for a bright girl, you need to be in this class, because when the test time comes, I don't want to hear that you have other things going on. So let me know what's really going on so that way we can find a way to make this work, because I want you to graduate.
I found out I was pregnant, Mr. Rickards.
You're pregnant? And is this a planned pregnancy?
It's not planned, but I want to finish school. I want to make my parents proud. I want to make myself proud. I don't want to quit because this happened. It wasn't expected, but...
And your intention is to keep this child?
I'm not going to let it stop me. I'm not going to...
I know it's going to be difficult because you're going to be going through the motions of being pregnant, but let this child be the reason why you wake up early every morning and actually make it to my class on time and pass. You're the brightest girl here, and I want, just because of this reason, I want you to use that as your motivation to come here every day and not give any excuses. Because you see, when that baby comes, you're not going to have a chance to have excuses. And when the baby starts crying every night, and when you're going through all the headaches and hassles of all of that, rather get school done with now while you're just pregnant, versus having a child, because that's going to slow everything down later on. But at least once you graduate and you have your degree and you could go out there, the hardest part now is just finding the right job, which should be easy because you're very intelligent, you're smart, you're beautiful. That should be a problem. So from this day forward, I don't want to hear any more excuses as to why you can't make it to my class when I already give you a reason. Don't let me have to fail you. Right, Miss Reed?
Yes,
We're going to have this conversation again?
No.
So don't be afraid to talk to me. If you need anything, or if you feel like you have somebody you need to talk to, just come in and sit with me for a little bit and we can go over whatever and talk about anything, you know? Now, keep a smile on your face. Get out of my classroom. And I'll see you.
my gosh, are you sitting down? Jake's just died.
Jake's what?
I don't know what just happened. I just know that he got in a car accident.
Good morning. Mr. O'Keefe, not in my classroom.
What am I?
Leave the shenanigans at the door, please.
For the girl, babe.
Mr. Reed, good morning. How are you this morning? Are you ready for the finals? Let's get this together.
Mr. Shasal, you let me out, sir.
Sir, would you please not come to my classroom late? It's a
All
very
right.
important day.
All right. I made it.
All right. Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I don't need to stress the importance of this final. I hope you guys had a great breakfast. Hope you guys did the studying that you should have done. And I hope you guys came here with your serious game face on, because there's no cheating. Okay? No, you back there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I would appreciate if you actually took this one real serious.
Me?
Yes.
Of course I'm going to take it serious. I'm ready.
Yes, because you're one of the class clowns in here. So I hope you came here prepared to take this exam. And sir, Mr. O'Keefe.
Yeah, man.
Yes, you too. Try your best. Thank you, I appreciate that. And Miss Reed, my favorite student. You here with me today? Okay, we're going to do magnificent in this final.
Teacher.
Sir.
What am I going to tell them?
Listen, first we're going to do, right? The first what's going to happen is we're going to do a presentation. That is 50% of your grade.
So, man, all right.
You don't need tables to do a presentation, sir, since you want to be a smartass. So I'm going to need you to come up here first. And I hope to God you do your very best.
All right.
Sir?
Yes.
Right? So you're going to do your very best? Because I'm going to need you to come up here first.
Oh, seriously?
Yes, sir.
Yo, you see that? I don't even want to call me. Why you don't have a Kim or Kim do it?
Well,
Kim.
Since you want to be a smartass, and you want to come in this class to play games, I need you to
I'm not playing games.
Well, you need to be a smartass and do this presentation smartly, sir. See, you know.
What am I supposed to do?
You know what? Just go have a seat. Just have a seat. Miss Santiago, I'm going to need you to put your phone away.
Sorry.
Thank you. Miss Reed? Step up.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Today my closing presentation is going to be about the acquiring of jobs in the physical therapy field and how as adults we can enter into the job market successfully and understanding the different areas and fields that our degrees are able to take us, as Mr. Rickards taught us this semester, yet I'm sure in your other classes that you understand. In closing, everything that we have acquired in this class, along with the skills that we use outside of it, are what's going to allow us to succeed. And that's it.
That was good, but that was, you okay? Excuse me.
I'm in the phone. I have a boyfriend. I don't care about that.
I understand that it's, you know, you just had somebody you care about pass away, but I need you to come take this test, pass it, So that way, tomorrow will be a greater day, okay? So if you need a little 2 minutes, 5 minutes to calm down a little bit, but I don't need you running off. Just remember why you're doing this. Remember, today is that day. You're a bright girl, you're gonna pass. I know you're gonna pass. I have confidence, super confidence in the fact that you're gonna do that. So I need you to come back in my classroom. Don't take this news as hard as it is at this moment. Just come back in the classroom and just take this final exam and get this over with, okay? And just remember, you can always come to me about anything. But right now, I need you to tough it up and just come take this exam, okay? Hey, look. Really? Alright, so who's up next?
What you look for me for?
You're up next.
Oh God, for real?
Yes, sir.
I'm fucking up there for real?
I need you to send the stage. Thank you.
Come on. Oh shit. Never mind that, you know.
Please put your phone on. Thank you.
Open the door. Hi. Oh my gosh, look at your stuff. Come in. That's crazy. I was just like, why would he even do that? People, that's crazy. Oh, I swear. For real though, like if I showed you what happened, you would have been like, So where you been at?
Girl, you know, I've been in school trying to get, you know, these classes, get A's and stuff. But I have like a few more months.
You almost there though. You almost there. Like,
I know.
But I'm glad you're doing your thing. Cause
I can't believe it.
you know.
That's what's up. What happened? Shit's crazy.
Very. But did you find out?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a girl.
Oh, yay! Congrats.
Thank you.
I know we've been like, you know, anticipating like what it was gonna be.
I
So did you get a
scared.
name?
I didn't even have a girl. But
What?
yeah.
Why?
I don't
You know,
know.
you can dress her up, you know, whatever. Like we need to go shopping. We need to start looking.
Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Did you get a name? Like I wanna know.
I don't know. I have 2 names in mind, but I can't decide. So I'm like,
You know, I'm auntie, godmom, or
duh,
whatever.
bestie, duh. Make sure when best friend calls and
Yes.
says, bestie, I need a break. Please.
Come here.
Yeah.
Guess who I saw?
Oh,
Drew.
where?
Up the street at one of his friends' houses.
Really? Good for him.
He said he wants to come and see you.
For what?
He hasn't seen you in so long, Mommy. You're not
I'm
gonna let
glad
that go?
I'm glad he's alive, but we don't need to see each other.
Mommy,
Huh?
your firstborn?
Kim.
Well, he did say to tell you hi.
Tell him hi.
And I did invite him here.
Really?
Yeah?
Oh,
That's my brother!
You can entertain him. I don't have to be here.
I think he's changed. He just wants to talk to you. Maybe if you won't let him come, can he call you? That would make him happy. Come on, Mommy.
Okay. You can tell him to call me.
Okay.
So what about the baby shower?
Girl, what about it?
You not doing the baby shower?
Why? It's already too
Why
late.
not?
Cause if I was gonna have the baby shower, I probably should have done it like 2 months ago. Not
Man.
like 2 weeks before my due date.
No. You could still do the baby shower. Even if you don't want to do the baby shower, you could do a welcoming baby.
I don't know, because I
And
feel
get the
like I've been
gifts.
having contractions lately, and I went to the doctor last week, and I was already like a centimeter dilated.
What?
I know.
So you think it's gonna happen this week?
Shit, I don't know. Like,
Oh,
she
snap.
moves all the time at night, and then it's like she has her butt like up in my side. It's so uncomfortable. I hate it.
I can't wait.
I know. I
See
have to
what
pee.
she look like. Well, that's right there.
Oh God, I feel so tired. I don't feel like getting up.
Oh,
my
where's my
God.
phone?
You forever on that damn phone.
Let me go see. Get some tea on the shade room.
Girl.
See what's going on.
Oh shit.
What?
Bestie? Oh shit.
What happened?
Bruh, I think my water broke.
What?
Shit.
Oh
Is
my
the bed
gosh.
wet? Oh my god.
Kim.
I'm sorry.
We gotta call the ambulance.
The ambulance, girl, you can drive me.
Oh my, Kim, are you okay?
I think so. I don't know.
Where's my phone?
License returning location like 2 license.
How are you feeling? Are you having a contraction right now? I think you're ready. The baby's ready. I'm gonna call the doctor, okay?
Okay. Oh.
All right, hi Miss Reed, how are we doing?
It hurt.
All right, let me take a look. All right, it looks like this baby's ready to come, all right? So we're gonna push on 3, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. All right, good, the head is crowning. I need you to push one more time really big for me, okay? 1, 2, 3, push! Good job, Miss Reed. I need you to give me one big push again, okay? 1, 2, 3, push! Good job, baby. Congratulations, good girl. All right, we're gonna take the baby back, okay?
Okay. August 20th, 9:43 p.m. 6 pounds, 9 ounces. I did it. Meet Leilani Reed. I've been smashing obstacles that I never imagined I would face, but here I am, finishing and passing my exams for graduation, and now my daughter. That's been my greatest accomplishment, and I'm so grateful for not giving up. I have support from my mom, my brother, when he gets back. Once again, he's been locked up, but we're family, and it's always gonna be love. I won't lie, I'm still afraid of my future. I'm still so broken about Jake's being gone, and for me lying about keeping our daughter, but life is moving on. I won't live in fear, and I'm ready to beat some more odds. The end.